When it comes to compliant pharma event management, attendee data handling is one of the most critical and complex components to get right. For event managers and CMOs navigating pharmaceutical event planning, understanding how to manage personal data in accordance with GDPR and other global privacy laws is no longer optional, it's essential. Pharma event compliance hinges on how well you protect the data of your attendees, especially when those attendees include healthcare professionals. From the moment registration opens to post-event reporting, every touchpoint needs to be secure, transparent, and fully aligned with the latest regulations. Let's start with the most important principle, data minimization. Only collect the attendee data you absolutely need for legitimate event purposes. For example, if dietary preferences aren't relevant for a virtual event, don't ask for them. Limiting unnecessary data collection reduces risk and demonstrates a compliance-first mindset. Next, always obtain explicit consent. This means attendees must clearly agree to how their data will be used, stored, and shared. Consent should be specific, informed, and easy to withdraw. For pharmaceutical event planning, this is especially vital when collecting data on HCPs, whose information may be subject to additional scrutiny. Transparency is another cornerstone of compliant pharma event management. That means providing clear privacy notices at every data collection point. Registration forms, email signups, and mobile app logins. These notices should explain who's collecting the data, how it will be used, who it will be shared with, and how long it will be stored. Let's talk about third-party vendors. If you're using a registration platform, mobile event app, or analytics provider, you must ensure these partners are also GDPR compliant. Conduct due diligence, sign data processing agreements, and regularly audit their practices. In pharma event compliance, the responsibility doesn't stop with your organization. Data security is another critical factor. Encrypt data transfers, secure storage systems with access controls, and ensure your team is trained on data protection best practices. A data breach doesn't just damage your reputation, it can also lead to major regulatory penalties. And don't forget about international attendee data. If you're hosting a global event, be aware of regional differences in privacy laws. For example, GDPR applies to all EU citizens, regardless of where your event is hosted. Always verify what's required for cross-border data transfers when working on international pharmaceutical event planning. Finally, post-event data handling is just as important. Set up a clear data retention policy. Only keep attendee information for as long as necessary, and make sure deletion processes are secure and documented. Proper disposal is one of the most overlooked aspects of compliant pharma event management. Remember, trust is a competitive advantage. The more transparent and secure your data practices, the more confidence healthcare professionals and stakeholders will have in your events. Attendee data isn't just a compliance box to check, it's a foundation for long-term success in pharmaceutical event planning.